I feel like taking my pack off for a while. Would you like to see what's inside it? I'll show you. First of all, this pack is a little bigger than the average day pack. Call this a day and a half pack. And of course, one of the main things in the pack is my water. And like I say, I like a hydration bladder. Sometimes I also carry water bottles. Because when you stop to eat lunch, it's kind of nice to have to be able to take a water bottle out. I have another layer with me. This is my fleece. If it were colder weather, I'd have even a little more. And this is my first aid kit. I like to put a first aid kit in a series of Ziplocs because you can see through them. You can organize them a little bit. And this is something people sometimes forget to put in a first aid kit, and that's an empty Ziploc. Because if you do put a Band-Aid on somebody, you got to have a place to put the garbage. Oh, this one has a few little medicinal things like ibuprofen. I have a little sugar in here in case of a blood sugar problem. This one I use a lot. This is for feet. So I've got moleskin, scissors, tweezers, that sort of thing. So that's if you get a cactus spine or you have blisters, that's the bag I pull for that. This is my basic Band-Aid bag.